Omidan Olayinka. Any governor VVIP lórí program yìí, you know. Now let me welcome you to another segment of Cinema tí mo fẹ́ràn. Do you like my look? This makeup, yeah, it was done by Timeless Beauty. So if you want to look gorgeous to your events as a bride, just contact Timeless Beauty. The number is on the screen. That's the contact one to fẹ́ makeup in Ilorin, Kwara State, and they traveled worldwide. Now let me go to nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ká sọ lórí ètò lónìí. And before I even start at all, can you please allow me to ask you a question? Okay, did I hear you? Did I hear saying I should go ahead? See, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi máa dájọ́ ikú fún wa. Ṣàmì pé tí wọ́n bá dájọ́ ikú fún yàn kì í ṣe ní ẹni tí kì í ṣe ọ̀daràn nìkan ló máa ń dájọ́ ikú fún. Ṣé mọ̀ wọ́n lè dájọ́ ikú fún ẹni nítorí pé ó ní àìsàn kan tí àìsàn yẹn ti wá jẹ́ àìsàn gbẹ̀mígbẹ̀mí. Wò ó mo gbàdúrà pé gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí àìsàn gbẹ̀mígbẹ̀mí kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbogbo wa lágbára Ọlọ́run. Àwọn tí wọ́n bá ní àìsàn gbẹ̀mígbẹ̀mí wò pé irú àwọn àìsàn wo ni gbẹ̀mígbẹ̀mí? Irú àwọn àìsàn bíi cancer, àìsàn àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa. Tó bá wá dájọ́ ikú fún èèyàn pé ọjọ́ báyìí lẹ ní láti fi lò nílé ayé, tó bá wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ́tá yín kí lẹ máa ṣe? Àzìntàn ti sọ fún ọ̀tá yín pé ó ní ju oṣù mẹ́ta lọ mọ́ o láti lò láyé o. Oṣù mẹ́ta yẹn kí ló máa fi ṣe tó dẹ̀ máa ní ipa kó tó jáde láyé? Are you still thinking about the answer you want to give to me? And now let me ask a second question. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn tó súnmọ́ èèyàn tí wọ́n ti dájọ́ ikú fún, pé okay, maybe you have somebody tó yẹ pé ó ní àìsàn kan, wọ́n lè sọ fún pé ẹni yìí o within 2 months ó máa jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run o. So ìwọ wá jẹ́ bóyá bí ọ̀rẹ́ àbí ká sọ pé ará àbí ká sọ pé family ẹni yẹn, kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe fún ẹni yẹn ní táìmù tó kù, níwọ̀nba àsìkò tó kù tí ó fẹ́ fi gbélé ayé? Ipa wo lẹ máa kó nínú ìgbésí ayé ẹni láti fi pé láàárín ìgbà tó kù yẹn ó enjoy ìgbésí ayé? Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin lè súnmọ́ rẹ níbẹ̀, what will you be doing to the person to make sure that he or she enjoys the little time he or she has before he leaves? That's the question. Think about it. This leads me to this cinema tí mo fẹ́ ká jọ review lónìí tí mo pè ní Aiku. It's a good movie. Yeah. Okay. I'm not the only one to decide if it is good or not. Cinema Aiku. Àwọn tó wà ní sinimá yẹn ni Lateef Adédìméjì tí ó jẹ́ ẹ̀rí olúwa nínú fíìmù yìí, Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ tó jẹ́ Bámiwò nínú fíìmù yẹn, then Mọ́tílọ́lá Adékúnlé tó jẹ́ matron nínú múvì yìí, Jamiu Azeez tóun jẹ́ Mutiu nínú múvì yẹn, Ayọ̀ọ́lá Ìyá tó jẹ́ Àbáyọ̀mí nínú múvì yẹn, then Adébímpé Akíntúndé, my own sister tó jẹ́ doctor nínú movie yẹn, Kudirat Salau ọ̀rẹ́ Bámiwò ìyẹn Tẹ́jú nínú movie yẹn, then Mọ́tílọ́lá Adékúnlé ló ní story, and you know that this woman is good when it comes to story writing. Oh good go. And director movie yẹn is Soliu Agbolakade. Yeah. So now the producer of the movie is Mọ́tílọ́lá Adékúnlé. She's a sister. So now executive producer of the movie is Temitope Akinyemi, yeah. Àwọn tó wà ní movie yẹn rí àti àwọn míì bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So let me start from the soundtrack of the movie, and before I do that, ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí ASAtainment TV, kí ẹ comment opinion yín nípa movie yìí sí under the comment section, kí ẹ like video yìí, kí ẹ dẹ̀ share, ẹ wò kí ẹ dẹ̀ tẹ notification bell, ó important torí pé tá bá ti review video mi àbí cinema mi, kí ẹ lè tètè mọ̀ pé a tún ti review movie mi láti mọ̀ bóyá movie tẹ́lẹ̀ wò ni àbílẹ̀ ìtẹ́lẹ̀. Let me start from the soundtrack of the movie. The soundtrack ó cool dáadáa, ó wà okay, ó wà on point, and kò fún wa ní any clue about the movie. No, it's ó wà níbi tó yẹ kó wà, ó dúró láàyè ààrẹ. You know, don't mind me, I'm trying to be funny, you know. Now let me go to the storyline of this movie. tó bá jẹ́yàn tó wà emotional tí nǹkan máa ń tètè move ẹ, you need to think twice before watching this movie. tó bá jẹ́yàn tó yẹ pé o sábà máa ń káàánú nǹkan tí o lè gbé nǹkan sára, o ní láti ronú lẹ́ẹ̀mejì kó tó wo movie, torí pé irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn I'm assure you that you will cry watching the movie. Wàá sunkún tó bá wo movie yìí, because the content of the movie will actually makes you do that. Now, just don't let me go to that. Let me go to the storyline of the movie. It's all about this girl, cancer patient, Oni àrùn jẹjẹrẹ, and her name is Bamiwo, which is Biola Adekunle. Wọ́n ti fún ní ọjọ́ tó máa kú, pé kíní yìí bá ṣe ń ṣe chemo ni ó tún bọ́ síbòmí o, ló tún bọ́ síbòmí o. I think time tó kù kẹ́ ẹ lò mọ́ between so time ni o. Òun náà ti wá wò pé òun ti gbìyànjú láti rí wípé òun overcome cancer yìí látẹ̀yìnwá. Ó ti wá débi tó yẹ pé ó ti sú, ìgbìyànjú ẹ̀ ti pín pátápátá, you know. And òun náà ti wá fa ó lóun ti gbà fọ́lọ́run, because she actually used that statement pé mo ti gbà fọ́lọ́run. So òun náà ti wá gbà fọ́lọ́run pé tọ́ ikú ni ohun tó kàn. Now ó wá ṣe the first scene of the movie tó kọ́kọ́ show ó jẹ́ ibi tí mo like jù. Mo dẹ̀ sunkún bẹ̀. Yes, you know I won't lie to you guys. Why do I need to do that? Because some of you ẹ ti lè wo movie yẹn káwọn kan dẹ̀ ti fẹ́ lọ wò. I cried watching the first scene. And what actually happened there was, ó ṣe get together party pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ pé okay, òun ti mọ̀ pé òun máa kú, but òun ní láti múnú ara òun dùn, òun wà pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn tóun nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí jù lọ, káwọn jọ dine and wine together and all that. During the course of this celebration, you know, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yẹn ò lè hold tears wọn, gbogbo wọn ṣàn try láti wò pé ṣé wá ti ń lọ nìyẹn, ṣé wá fẹ́ fi wálẹ̀ nìyẹn, ṣé, you know, how would you feel seeing a close relatives of yours dying? How would you feel? Kò sẹ́ni tó máa fẹ́ ẹni tẹ́ fẹ́ràn tó súnmọ́ yín kí ẹni yẹn tí wàá máa kú lọ, gbogbo wa la mọ̀, you know. Wọ́n mú gbọ́dọ̀ àkọ́lọ́ máa fi wá sí situation yẹn. And now, so ó ní àwọn bíi ọ̀rẹ́ bíi mẹ́rin nítòsí ẹ̀ tí wọ́n jọ ń ṣe celebration of life yẹn. And there's this one girl, Teju. She could not control herself. She started crying bitterly because ìgbà tí Bamiwo try láti give àwọn speech ẹ̀ pé àtọ̀ ogún ọmọdé ò lè ṣeré fógún ọdún, òun ti gba kádàrá, àsìkò tòun ló ti ń pé lọ and all that. Teju was crying, you know what she was first saying. I was trying to like, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Why is this one so emotional among others? What happened? And you know, I need to be calm and see, you know, me on your way láti want to share it. And the statement that I love in this movie and I will never forget was a statement tí Bamiwo sọ nígbà tó notice pé Teju lè control emotions ẹ̀. And Bamiwo said, Teju, jọ kí ló ṣe? You have not seen me for the past 2 years and you didn't bother. So you are crying, you can't control your emotion. Why? Why? I felt it. Oh, what me like you me ara lọ pé oh me for the past 2 years. Oh baby. Oh I gbọ́ fẹ́ kú. Oh I sunkún. Why? And let me now talk to you. Yes, you. But she come here. Let me talk to you. Some of our friends, when we don't see them for quite some time, we don't act of them. Why? Let me ask you a question. Púpọ̀ nínú wa ló ṣe wípé tí a ò bá rí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wa fún ìgbà pípẹ́ à ń béèrè wọn. Ìwà tí ò dá ní ìwà yìí. Àwọn kan wà tó ṣe pé wọ́n súnmọ́ wa, ó lè jẹ́ ará ilé wa náà ni. Tí a ò bá rí wọn for some times, we need to pick up our phone and call them to show we care. It is not only tí wọ́n bá wà nínú ìṣòro la máa show love sí wọn. Some of us, even nísìnyí tí WhatsApp tẹ̀ tí wá wà sí WhatsApp, email and other chatting avenue. Some of us, tí a ò bá ti báyàn chat, tá a bá rí ẹni ẹ bá chat, a ti gbàgbé ẹ nìyẹn. If you don't see me on WhatsApp, you've forgotten me. Why? Some of us pé WhatsApp ni wọ́n ní kí lórí ìrántí pé alágbájá tẹ́ni ẹ bá ti upload sórí status ẹ̀ and ló máa ń pé mo máa ti rí Bímpé ti pẹ́kẹ́ ẹ̀ wá ṣe hello Bímpé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní orí ẹ wo ṣe pé ṣé bí ká máa pe ara wa lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan láti fi check on ara wa iyì ńlá wà ń bẹ̀. This is what actually happened láàrin Bámiwò àti Tẹ́jú. Mo fẹ́ kú sí o sunkún o rí mi láti 2 years o béèrè mi o wá rí mi tí mo fẹ́ kú sí o wá sunkún o lè control emotion yẹn. Why? Àbòsí ló máa ń pè rẹ̀, àbòsí ni, because èmi believe pé, let me skip that, but if you are actually one of those people tó yẹ pé tẹ́ ẹ bá ti ríyàn ẹ kì í béèrè wọn àfi kẹ́ bá wọn chat nìkan lórí Facebook, lórí imo, lórí Twitter, it is bad. If you don't know, it is bad. Now this movie àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí jẹ́ kí ní feelings pé we can all relate to this movie. Àbí ká ló lè relate to nǹkan tí mo sọ sí. So it's a movie we can all relate to. Ṣé mo gbé máa tẹ́kọ̀tẹ́ láfẹ́ mọ good movie gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kò tó ń gbó hàn ní surroundings wa tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ movie tó kọ́ wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Watching this movie Aiku, you will learn 1 or 2 things from it. I'm assuring you that. Now let me talk about what I don't like about the movie. It's too long. The movie is about 1 hour 47 minutes or so. I think it's 1 hour 47 minutes or so. Yeah, it's more than 1.5 hours. 1 hour 47 minutes, close to 2 hours. It's too long because na data most of us they use to watch this movie. By the time I finish watching that movie, my data don't finish. You don't find, you know. So and they wasted much time on a scene where Letifa Adejimeji tó lọ kí Biola Adebayo ìyẹn Bámiwò ní hospital. So wọ́n wá lọ sínú garden, wọ́n move lọ sí garden hospital yẹn, so wọ́n lè gba fresh air. So when they got to that garden, they were trying to gist about the nature of the fresh air, all this ocean chat wọ́n gist because Letifa Adejimeji was actually Bamiwo's boyfriend nínú movie yẹn. And I think for that one scene also 10 minutes or so. It's up to 10 minutes if it's not more than 10 minutes for that one scene. So mo feel pé ó ti gùn jù. Anyway, to me, I think the movie is fascinating, is interesting and unpredictable. Unpredictable. Why did I say it's unpredictable? Is èmi fi pé pẹ̀lú believe Bámiwò má ti mo movie yẹn. Mo fi pé pẹ̀lú believe Bámiwò tó ṣe believe nínú Ọlọ́run tó mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run ló lè pa, Ọlọ́run ló lè jí, kò sí kankan tó ní kankan fẹ́ ṣe, tí dókítà bá níyàn fẹ́ kú, tọ́lọ́ bá ní kò tí ì ṣe tán. Èmi pẹ̀lú ó show believe nínú movie yẹn. Wọ́n ti ká mọ̀ pé ó ní believe nínú Ọlọ́run. Èmi wá fi pé at the particular point in time, mo fi pé wọ́n lè padà sọ fún wa pé cancer yẹn kò lára ẹ̀wọ̀. I was actually expecting that. Pé all the father sọ fún wa pé okay, people wọn sọ fún wa pé okay, ìgbàgbọ́ ẹ̀ nínú Ọlọ́run ló jẹ́ kí cancer yẹn kó kúrò lára ẹ̀ or so something like that, but it was not actually like that. You understand? So unpredictable. But let me still know if you watch that movie and you are able to predict the movie. Let me know, because ó possible káwọn kan wò kí wọ́n predict it. So let me know under the comment section. Are you able to predict this movie Aiku when watching it? Now, I'll give this movie. Giving mark, it's not easy. It is not easy because láti gbé movie jáde kò rọrùn. Iṣẹ́ ńlá làwọn people yẹn máa ń ṣe. Iṣẹ́ ńlá. Tẹ́ bá ti lọ sí movie location rí, ẹ máa mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ ńlá. You cannot just sit at the corner of your house and be saying, I give it 1/10. Really? Effort ni wọ́n put in the movie man. So I'll give the movie 85/100, but we all don't need to agree with my mark. Let me know on the comment section, what would you give to the movie Aiku láàrin 1/100? Have you watched the movie? How would you describe the movie? Is it bad, good, or okay movie? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to ASAtainment TV, drop your comments and like our videos. Then don't forget to click on the notification bell to know once we drop a new movie. I see myself, Omidola Yinka Ajadi. I love you all. Aiku, go and watch it and let me know your opinion under the comment section.